Is this shoe a buy or a buy? Let's talk about it. This is Joe with Average Joe Shoes, and today we're looking at a dunk so split, it looks like they couldn't decide what outfit to wear. This is the Nike SB Dunk Low Muni Fast Pass, inspired by San Francisco's old school transit card. Yes, Nike really said, let's honor public transportation by making your shoes look like they missed the bus. You've got a split suede upper, brown in the front, orange in the back. Like the shoe is literally in two different moods. Reflective accents, city references, and a Golden Gate themed insole because apparently your feet are now honorary Bay Area residents. Rumor has it that this is just one of 12 monthly colorways because Nike wants your wallet to take the public transit too. In my opinion, this shoe is a buy because it's a little bit too bold for most. But you tell me, is this shoe a buy or a buy? This is Joe with Average Joe Shoes. Stay average, stay laced.